Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, dear viewers. Now I'm going to show you how to open admin panel on your Epson 18 and 10 series printer. So all we need to know is our IP address. So of course there are two ways to check it. If your smartphone is connected to the printer, so you can do it using the Epson Smart Panel application. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Maybe this is the easiest way to do, but it works only if you connect it. I can show you two ways to do that. If you connect it to your smartphone, or and if you just connect it to the Wi-Fi network. If your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, but you don't connect to your smartphone. Okay, so in Epson Smart Panel, just click on your printer. Here you will see a lot of different strange things. Click Administrator Panel and click OK. It will open your Safari if you use iPhone, Safari browser. If you use Android device, maybe it should be Google Chrome browser. And it will ask you when you will open it. But first time it will ask you about do you sure you want to open this page? So click Advanced Settings, click yes, I'm sure I want to open this page, and you will open it. Okay, it's just because this is the local page, it's not the internet page. So okay, and in this way you can even check your email now. Your printer's IP address. So as you can see, it's visible here. But and of course here you can change some settings. You can click admin login and input your admin login and just have access to all advanced settings. Okay, if you don't know how to check your admin login, stay here, I'll show it in the end of this video. Okay, so but there is a second way. If you are not connected to your printer with your smartphone, it's pretty easy to do. You just should press and hold information button. So this button from the right side of your Wi-Fi button. So press and hold it until your printer starts to print network information page. It will print 3 information pages. We need only first one. Wait a while for it. Okay, and we need IPv4 block, so we can cancel other pages. We don't need them. We don't want to waste paper and inks. So after printing the first page, we will cancel the job. So this is free tutorial for you how to cancel jobs in Epson printer. Okay, cool. And what we need here we need this block TCP/IP, and here we have obtain IP address 192.168.88.161. And what can we do with this information? Of course we can do the same thing as in smartphone. So we just should open our web browser, here enter this IP address, click enter. It will ask you about so I'm gonna show you in Edge how it looks like in Edge, just because I opened this website before, so it's not asking me about a dangerous site. So as you can see here, it will ask you about your connection isn't private, go back, and you have advanced button. So click advanced and click continue to this strange web page. Okay, and you will see this admin panel. Okay, and what we have here we have administrator login button. So click on it to get access to the advanced settings, and you should input your current password. As you can see here, we have the hinge So please check the serial number. So the initial password is the product serial number. Okay, product serial number, not the product password, but product serial number. So how to check the product serial number? So it's very easy to do, guys. You just should open this cover on your printer. So just open it, and here you have serial number, okay, without the asterisk. So here we have asterisk on the very beginning and the end of the serial number, but between these asterisks we have our serial number. You should input this serial number. Of course, you should have attention on the lower or upper case letters, because it matters. So if letter is big, so just write big letter. If letter is small, so write small letter. And here we have our serial number. So input this serial number, and you will get access to the admin panel, at what we have in the admin panel. So as you can see, I've entered it right now, and here I have administrator logout button, not the administrator login, but logout, so it means that I'm logged in. So click on the right top corner of the screen. Here you have basic settings, switch to the advanced settings. And cool, guys, we are in advanced settings, advanced admin panel of our Epson ET-1810 series printer. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope I helped you in your investigating of how to open admin panel. So please leave me a like and a comment below to support me. Thank you. Bye.